Hey, hello everyone. Yeah, Stephen Duprieu here, and today I'm going to take a little bit of time and just share with you one of my favorite exercises, and quite possibly the best exercise for shoulder mobilization and stabilization and rehabilitation that I've come across in 20 years of training. Alright, so here I've got two little weights, 1.5 kgs each. You don't need these, but I find the little bit of extra weight helps me focus on the movement. So I'm going to jump right into it. And the movement, I know it as the teacup flow. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate it with one hand first. So I'll just do the full movement quickly just so you can see. Okay, so this is a basic aspect of the movement. Here. And the concept or idea is you pretend or visualize your hand, or what is in your hand if you have nothing, as sorry about the truck, as a cup of tea, perhaps a cup of tea on a saucer, and you don't want to spill the tea, so you need to keep it flat throughout the whole movement, and that means you need to adjust the position of your shoulder, your radius, your wrist, even your spine if you're doing large sweeping movements. Write that down quickly. So, for example, if I'm here, I can take it my pinky, pull my pinky back and drag it towards my abdomen, take it back and around, overhead, out and around, back towards me, out. And, as you can see, I don't want to spill my tea. Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? And you can play around with incorporating more movements in the thoracic spine, in the hips. So you can rotate in the hips, which is great for hip mobility. But it's going back to the arms. So you pull back, and you keep going. And then you're going to have to sweep it up overhead. You need to rotate it, bring it back and around. And you can keep this very small, or you can take it in front of you. You can take it around to the other side. You can make it very big, and you reach as far as you can with each movement. So there's a lot of aspects of playing with this, but in terms of mobilizing the shoulder and developing the rotator cuff, it stabilizes. This is one of the most amazing movements to me. And you might see that it looks a little bit like you're doing Kung Fu. There's a reason for that, because in Kung Fu, you're training your body to manifest your will as effectively as possible. You're training your body to propagate energy in different ways. You're training your body to sequence small movements into larger, more complicated, or more complex, more functional movements. So you're training your body how to shift your weight, how to integrate and synchronize and harmonize and unify intent. Okay, so you've got two that you can do. You can do both simultaneously. You can remain relatively upright. And the hardest part of this posture is this transition here. So you can use your body and your glutes and activate your core, which is very good for them here as well, to help and assist your shoulders. So unify your whole body in intent. So you can see my spine gets a lot of flex. Flex forward, flex back and straighten out. So activating the core, tilting the pelvis, activating the glutes. You creating a very harmonious channeling of movement through the body doing this drill. Okay, so I'm just going to play around for a moment. Hopefully demonstrate that the movement that you can explore and play and just have fun, and every moment you do this, you're mobilizing your spine, loosening up tight tissue, activating, stabilizing muscles, teaching yourself how to use your range of motion and how to stabilize that range of motion. You can work on linear lines, so working straight. You can work circular. You can see here I'm using the shifting of my weight and my pelvis and propagating that energy, and using elastic recoil. I can use linear motion. Linear, synchronizing the pelvis, core muscles, shoulders. Okay, so play, explore, have fun. Healing is feeling. Listen to your body. If you find a place that's restricted, don't try. Don't be a slave master. Be sympathetic towards yourself. Listen to pain. Pain is your friend. Pain is your body trying to tell you something important. It's something that needs to be embraced in a way that allows you to acknowledge it in a way that you can do something functional about it. If something is hurting, you need to understand, okay, why are you hurting? Oh, it hurts more there than it hurts here. It hurts less here than it hurts there. Okay, so this is the epicenter. How is that pain affecting this? If I do this, is it better or is it worse? You need to feel, you need to embrace, you need to harmonize and nurture to rehabilitate. Popping painkillers to mask the symptoms of pain, excuse me if this is you, but it's fucking moronic. Like, you should not be taking painkillers unless you cannot function. Like, you are in agony, you are in insufferable pain, then take painkillers. If you're popping painkillers because you have a mild discomfort, you're going to be doing that for years, and that mild discomfort is going to become disease and pain, and it's going to become arthritis, and it's going to become a hip surgery and a hip replacement and a knee replacement. It's going to become a rotator cuff repair. It's going to become a torn tendon. Healing is feeling. You need to embrace how you feel. Okay, so I'm going to end off with that. I don't want to lecture too much. Much love to everyone. Happy training. Wishing you all the best. Please like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed my content. Cheerio.